Hello everyone, thank you for visiting howtoplaythesax.com. My name is Matthew, and in today's action-packed exciting lesson I wanted to show you how to play a G sharp on your saxophone. A G sharp is sometimes known as an A flat. G sharp, A flat, same sound, same note, depending on a number of things. G sharp, A flat. How do we do that? On our saxophones we put 3 fingers on the 3 main keys on our saxophone with our left hand. We then add in the pinky on this top key here, the top one of the top of those keys. Add in the pinky, so we've actually got 4 fingers on our left hand. Nothing happening on our right. Our right hand is just standing around looking good. So G sharp, A flat sounds like this. There you go, G sharp, A flat. We can also get excited and add in our register key, add in the octave key with our thumb at the back for a higher version. So here's a high G sharp, also known as a high A flat. Here we go. There's the high one, here's a low one, take the thumb off. So there we go, G sharp, A flat. Thank you for visiting howtoplaythesax.com. My name's Matthew and I will see you in another lesson. Thank you.